in the society around us. So I'm really glad that we are here together this evening to have one of the most world-renowned speakers amidst us, Dr. Vishal Mangalwadi, along with his beautiful wife, Mrs. Ruth Mangalwadi. They both live in the USA, but they've been in India. They keep coming on and off in order to enlighten us, in order to see that we introspect, that we discuss, to have the think tank become more active. So that's the reason why they are here today.
May I please welcome our National President, Dr. K. Babu Garu, to please step forward to give us an insight on the activities of CRII. But since the time is not available, I will be going very fast now. In the minute, I may skip some of the slides also. So, this is Preamble and today's topic. This is Wounds for the Healing of the Nations. And here, India's silent features of India, how the composition of the people or the demographic and all those things. I don't think that it is required now. And what the missionaries has done for the upliftment of the downtrodden communities in India.
నీవు చేసిన ఉపకారములకు నేనేమి చెల్లింతును ఏడాది దూడలనా వేలాది పొటేళ్ళనా ఏడాది దూడలనా వేలాది పొటేళ్ళనా నీవు చేసిన ఉపకారములకు నేనేమి చెల్లింతును
Really how these days the Bible is read.
My brother, thank you so much and God bless you. So,
Can have the best education. Experts will teach, the English will be taught by
వేలాది నదులంత విస్తార తైలము నీకిచ్చిన చాలునా గర్భఫలమైన నా జ్యేష్ఠ పుత్రుని నీకిచ్చిన చాలునా గర్భఫలమైన నా జ్యేష్ఠ పుత్రుని నీకిచ్చిన చాలునా